हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू स्टेनो आर्मी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम 140 WPM का डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं। इसकी पीडीएफ आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी। इसके अलावा 140 WPM की हिंदी और इंग्लिश की दोनों की अलग से प्लेलिस्ट बनी हुई है, तो उन डिक्टेशंस को भी आप ले लीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। India is a country which has diverse ethnic, linguistic, cultural, and religious characteristics. There are around 1.7 billion people in our country, which makes us the second most populous nation after China. Nonetheless, it won't be long that we will conquer China and become the most crowded country on the planet. The greater part of Indian society is currently mindful that our population is growing expeditiously and we are in a phase where we need to control it. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, in his address to the nation on Independence Day 2019, expressed concern over the rapidly rising population of the country and urged both the state and central governments to come up with schemes to deal with the serious issue. While underlining that population explosion is giving rise to new challenges for the future generations, he states that India too will be educated and healthy if the population is educated and healthy. Stating that keeping a small family is also a form of patriotism, the Prime Minister said India can no longer afford an uneducated society. He urged the general mass to make sure resources are already created before bringing forth children into the world, and that it is necessary to educate people about this solemn duty of parents. It has since sparked a keen interest and debate on population control policies. In 1951, India turned into the first among the developing countries to come up with a state-sponsored family planning program. The Planning Commission, which was set up in 1950 and was given the undertaking to choose the shapes of the family planning program. In 1952, a Populace Strategy Board of Trustees was comprised. This panel had suggested setting up of a family planning research and programs committee. Be that as it may, the approaches outlined in 1951-52 were specially appointed in nature and were fundamentally founded on restraint, so it was not affected. The two children policy has been introduced in Parliament 35 times since independence. If enacted, the law must take into account the rights of the divorced couple as well as the Islamic religion. Earlier bills that were introduced lacked these features and were heavily criticized by the general public. The proposed population control bill would have constitutional repercussions. First, the bill does not consider the case of divorced citizens and Muslim personal laws. A divorced person who has children with a former partner cannot bear a child with his/her present spouse. The bill could also infringe the tenets of Islamic laws. Moreover, coercive population control measures would encourage sex selection and unsafe abortion given the collective desire for a male child. In India, family planning is considered to be the responsibility of women. Public health in India remains in state subject and some state governments have introduced measures for population control. Several states including Assam, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh have some form of the two-child norm in place for those running for elected governments post or government jobs. In September 2017, the Assam Assembly passed the Population and Women Empowerment Policy of Assam, which specified that candidates with two children would only be eligible for government employment, and the existing government employees were directed to follow the two children family norm. From January 2021, the state policy that made government jobs out of bonds for people with more than two children in Assam came into force. The National Family Planning Program of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is guided by the tenets of the National Population Policy 2000 and oversees its implementation. Under this program, the service delivery data is maintained, and further the program is regularly reviewed through annual review meetings, supportive supervision visits, common review missions, etc. Education of women also plays a role both in case of fertility rates as well as age of mother at the time of birth of first child. Education helps in bringing down fertility and early birth among women. Ironically enough, the family planning program failed to deliver desired results at least till recently. Much of the failure, as is generally suggested, can be attributed to a deep rooted attitude of preference for a male child and also ignorance of the rural masses about the birth control techniques. Despite all efforts, there is little evidence of our capacity to arrest population explosion. An estimate suggests that about 8,000 persons are added to it every day. Stop. सो गाइज ये 140 WPM पर इंग्लिश का डिक्टेशन था। इस डिक्टेशन की PDF डिस्क्रिप्शन से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। इसके अलावा 140 WPM की प्लेलिस्ट को भी चेक कर सकते हो। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय।